Cause they're all of les rap fresh out the Mount Hunger. Strictly for these youngins talking about they from the gutter.
Kids these days get sent to the naughty corner. You know, back in this dude's day, they get sent here.
I'm the Movement.
I'm Anonymous, and we're fresh out the box.
Yeah, I remember that time like it was yesterday. I read the ticket on a plane and it was one way. And
we are here in Whangaroa Bay. We are here to shoot me and Matt's new video called Graduate.
I touched down in Faleolo trying to ride the waves. And getting sent here by my parents cause I misbehaved.
Graduated is a song that's based about me flying over to Samoa for the very first time, you know, as a Kiwi born, and yeah, actually learning my roots and my culture. I was sent here as a troubled child years ago by my parents.
I hated it, I wagged school a couple weeks straight, rolling dolo in our beer, eating pancakes. Yeah, I was living in Morgata through them school days. Then go Kuwa to my parents that were in the Bay.
So the sea there here behind us, that's the opening to this song here. So yeah, I always like using real sounds as opposed to stock sound libraries and sound effects, but because it's a real story to the bro, and you know, these are the sounds he would have heard and his ancestors would have heard, it just makes sense that we had to place some mics up in the spot and get it inside the production.
And playing move with the oldies with a bit of speed. You move Hawaii, then you take your mother's by the threes.
We're lucky that we get to have careers in the music industry and do these things, but you know, we were only able to do this because our parents had to leave all of this amazing paradise behind and come back to New Zealand and, you know, slave away in the factories. So, you know, hip-hop always talking about the grind, and to some it's different kind of grinds, but this track really puts a spotlight on the grind that our parents had.
We sold over by the bags just to make some loot. They taught me how to kill a pig with a 22.
It's our responsibility in our music to show that grind, because our audiences are saturated with the overseas grind and the urban city grind and so forth, but out here in the islands there's an urban grind, and you don't even have an option. This guy had no option when he got sent here, so he had to learn a slightly different grind to the water grind there.
Yeah,
totally. A Kiwi born graduated with a homo cert. Graduated